like inevitable that when I turn on the camera, the hiccups stop. I think turning the video camera on is a cure for the hiccups. This is pretty much his normal state here. He just kind of looks around when he's awake, checking things out. He's looking at the skylight right now. You know, he's pretty easygoing. This is just him, hanging out, looking at things. Sometimes he looks at Mommy's voice. Yeah, you see Mommy? Oh, he's a pretty mellow baby. How can you not love this little guy? He's pretty great. Huh, Lucas? You're pretty great. Unfortunately, our little guy has the hiccups. He gets them very often. He probably gets them every time we change or feed him. And yeah, they don't hurt him. He's perfectly happy, but it's kind of funny. Kind of funny.